Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we've got an awesome tutorial for you on how to import a UDP request config on the SocksIP Tunnel app. If you're looking to boost your VPN speed and browsing security, this method is going to help a lot. So don't forget to support us by hitting that like button, subscribing to the channel, and turning on the notification bell so you never miss an update. All right, let's dive in. First things first, we need to download the UDP Request Config file. Open your browser and type in UDP and slow DNS files in the search bar. Look for the official link from the search results and click on it. Once you're on the home page of the site, tap the hamburger menu, the 3 horizontal lines at the top left corner. From the menu, select UDP Config, then click on UDP Request from the pop-up window. Now a 10-second countdown will begin. After the countdown, the download button will appear. Click on it. You'll be redirected to a page showing a list of available UDP request config files. Choose the latest one and click on it. Then click the final download button. In a few seconds, the file will be downloaded to your device. Next, let's get the SocksIP Tunnel app. Go to the Google Play Store and search for SocksIP Tunnel. Tap on the correct result, hit the install button, and then open the app. Once the app launches, you'll land on its homepage. Now, we're going to import the config file into the app. On the app homepage, tap the plus icon at the top 3-dot menu. A small window will pop up. Tap on Import Export, then select Import. This will open your device's download folder. Locate the UDP request config file you downloaded earlier. Tap on it. The file will now be imported into SocksIP Tunnel in just a few seconds. Once the config is imported, all that's left is to tap the Start button. The VPN will begin to connect, and in just a few seconds, you'll be securely connected using the latest UDP configuration. Enjoy fast, encrypted, and stable browsing. And that's it. You've successfully imported a UDP request config into SocksIP Tunnel. If this tutorial helped you, please give us a thumbs up, subscribe, and share this video with your friends. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.